Auroville is a manifestation of a dream. The Journey of Auroville is one of the activities which has been done for the 50th anniversary of Auroville. And the idea came up to reconnect with the public in India after Mr. Modi came here and was actually highlighting the activities of Auroville and the relevance for India. So we went first to New Delhi. It was the first attempt to show what we are doing and to address particularly UNESCO with our concept of integral education. It was related to the Sustainable Development Goals, and one of them was really highlighting unending education.
We continued after the 50th anniversary with Baroda, which reconnected with Sri Aurobindo and his path through India. So coming back from the UK and arriving in India, his first 13 years were spent in Baroda. We did a festival, a 5-day festival in Baroda on the MSU campus, which is the Maharaja Sayaji Rao University of Baroda. It's actually the campus where Sri Aurobindo was a professor, and so we were connecting with the student body there and the larger community around. And now we are continuing the path of Sri Aurobindo to Kolkata, where we were going to have the festival taking place from January 28th through 31st.
So we try to reconnect with the turning point where Sri Aurobindo turned from Aurobindo Ghosh to what we know as Sri Aurobindo. And this is manifest in different programs which have somehow the same theme.
The themes will include cashless economy, social enterprise, unending integral education, and integrated culture. We welcome you all to join us for this 4-day festival from 28th through 31st January at the Rotary Sadan, the Sri Aurobindo Bhavan, the Max Muller Bhavan, and the ICCR.